Hey guys, it's Dari here and welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you very much for being responsible and staying at home these days. I'm also missing my time fluffing around department stores and coffee shops. I'm not even saying meeting friends and family, but really it's very important to stay in and letting our amazing key workers do their jobs. So I hope my little tutorials will cheer you up a bit. And today we're going to sketch this watercolor illustration from the photo reference. It's going to appear somewhere here. So pour yourself a cup of tea, coffee, wine, I don't know, champagne, and yeah, have a great time and hope you'll enjoy it. For this tutorial, you'll need a pencil and an eraser, watercolor paints and brushes. Here I'm using a water brushes. It's really cool because you're putting water inside them and it's really good. So if you didn't try them yet, I highly recommend. Also, I'm using two black ink liners, 0.1 and 0.5. The full list of materials you can find under this video. Okay, let's begin. So starting with a pencil sketch. By the way, this photo reference I found on Instagram and totally fell in love with these two dresses. They are perfect for illustration because of the colors and also because of their beautiful details. I just love sketching folds and frills and hope guys you will enjoy it too. Now I'm starting coloring. Let's do the orange dress first. I'm coloring from light to dark tones so I can show all the frills and shadows between them. Now I'm coloring skin and hair and leaving white gaps here and there just to leave highlights and make sure that our coloring doesn't look too solid. Now the same with the second girl in yellow dress. If your sketch has a lot of water, just give it a little bit of time to make sure it's dry out a little bit and then start with the second girl. I'm doing the dress first and then skin and hair. For the side shadow, I used blue color. I thought it would be nice to use something contrast to orange and yellow. Well, also I thought about like a blue sky and summer colored dresses. Yeah, that's what we need in a quarantine. I'm adding a contour only where I think it will be a dark places where the shadow will go. It will be folds and the hair on the forehead and on the legs a little bit. So just don't over contour it as well. Now I'm adding a little sketchy details with another black ink liner, but 0.1, so a thinner one. I'm adding these little sketchy details, which I always love to do. And basically that's it, your sketch is done. Thank you for watching, guys, hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon.